How to submit ticket in GCash. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can submit a ticket in the help center of GCash. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So by now if I try to open my GCash, obviously this is going to ask me for my mobile number to get started. But at the bottom of my screen I have the option to help center. So I'm going in. And now let's suppose I have some trouble, some issues with the verification of my account. So I'm going into your account. There you have some other options, but by now I'm going into verify your account. And what should I do if my verification failed? Let's suppose this is my problem. And they're gonna open an article so you can follow the steps in order to get fully verified. But let's suppose my problem is not solved with this article, with the help of this article. So at the bottom of the article, it says like, was this article helpful? Yes or no? And if you didn't find what you were looking for, you must submit a ticket. So I'm going to tap there. And you must fill all this data, your email address, the GCash registered full name, select the country where you registered your GCash account. So remember, these are the actual countries where you can open an account here in GCash: Philippines, Australia, Italy, Japan, United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. You must type your mobile number, the concerned category. There are going to be a lot of it. So let's suppose it's still in the account verification. And please provide all the details that will help them to assist you with your concern. You can add some attachments too, like some screenshots or some other info that is relevant into your case. And the last button is submit. And that's how you can submit a ticket on GCash. You're going to receive that ticket into your email address, and that's how you can follow the ticket. Thanks for watching.